Buccaneer say I start him label. And I say, wait a second, man. Bring in the label. And I give Bucky a song name. Nobody can tell me them gal you no come from.
Yeah.
Listen to me. And that I tear the place. Right in the middle of that, Dave Kelly called me. Showtime Riddim put out 1 year before we go on it. You never know that.
No.
The first batch of Showtime come out 1 year before me, Bounty Killer and Beenie Man go on it. And our 3 song them turn Showtime in a month, and then Dave Kelly put out a 3rd batch after that. When me, all right, Dave Kelly called me and said, yo, more voice, yo. And I say, yeah, man, which Riddim man say Showtime? I say Showtime.
Yeah.
But Baby Cham now on Showtime with Frisco Kid them long time, man. Man say, yeah, man, but told already me about it, no bust the right way. It don't bust yet, man. And my girl and they go check him. But you know, I'm kind of hesitant. And them see some hesitant for go on it. And them time they my heart like fire. And me I say, Showtime, no man, you're wicked to me, man.
Yeah.
Hear the man. Hear the man. The man say, yo, I go play 2 songs. I got at back the man the real way now. So the man pay Eagle and Ark, the Bounty Killer. Tell them say the Eagle and the Ark. And then the man play be the man think we don't know. Say all them no. Then the man turn to me and say, who write Fudgy? Me say me. Who write Brush Your Teeth? Me say me. Who write I Don't Give a Damn? Me. Who write Buff B? Me. Here, all right, you can write your song for the Riddim then. If I didn't know, say that Dave asked me to tell me, but I tell him, say, I know me. Because me always hear say, when you go on and Dave Kelly, you get song.
Yeah.
See? So he must say, yeah, man, you can write your own song, man. Jordan, man, you're wicked to me, man. Anyway, just listen to the Riddim and me just come and me say, I say from Magaya move, forgive me, say, Hannah weird baggy, my feel left with.
Yes.
Tear them. Then him call me back for the next Riddim. I walk with my little second when me I come from high school with Chico. And say, I say, bad man now, we nah stoop low. Bad man coulda never turn a free car eat certain meat. Remember, you know, I'm from Buccaneer. Riddim. Me get to bring out my hardcore side, you know, because then they never I met the Riddim them. For me bring out that side of me there. So when me hear Buccaneer Riddim, me know say me can DJ the hardcore me. Then when Dave call me, I say, watch you know. Because me always put it in my head and say, listen, you have to balance the table, you know. Because it's when the eye cool off, you have to have some core song where you can go anywhere and DJ and the place lift up. See? But hear this now, my brother. We're going. Where the first time it happened, me never take it too personal. When we go to Bamson and Vice, Nas too low with me and Chico. Me, Dave Kelly and Baby Cham go up Asylum. When you remember Asylum, New Kingston?
Yeah.
Zane? Alright. Go to Bamson and go up there. Dave Kelly give the DJ them in Asylum the Riddim for play. It's when the Riddim play, Bad Man Nas too low. And Bounty Killer song we say can't believe me. Yeah, can't believe me eyes.
Because this is the Brookout we're talking about here.
That was it. Brookout Riddim. See? So, and Baby Cham, they have a song on it. See? When the 3 song them play, Badman Nas too low, level out the club. Can't believe me eyes with Bounty Killer, level out the club. Baby Cham song never did work in I club the night. These are the first day I test the Riddim. So the next day, me are going at Dave, me so excited. When me are going at Dave. So when we reach on them, we say, yo, Dave, look how they sitting deal with the club. Here, Dave, gee, you know, say, I have to go all your song to help sell the album. Help sell the album. Yeah, man, because you and Red Water sell so much and rare. Me say, Dave, hold our next man's song and let out my song, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, man. Tell me just say, Dave, what really I go on? Talk to me. Big man to big man. Tell me where I go on. Hear the man, you hear me? Big man thing. Baby Cham my artist. I'm going to bust him now. To how you act and to how your song devastate the club last night, you got overshadow and overpower Champ and Riddim, and Champ signed to me. I'm going to send him through the gate. So I have to go peer him and Killer. Sweep on everything. Anyway, we go to Bamson. Hear this now. We go to Bamson and say, all right, here it up. Give me my song on the iBuyers cassette. You can put it on the album then, since you say you save it on album. See? All right. Me take my song, I go down the arrows, me give nose, me give when name chin, where they down there, me give it a shelter rock and litter them. Me give the whole of the man them and me say, listen to me. Every sound man come down here. Make them run off my song on them dub plate when them I do them dub. Run off the 45 yeah. Dave Kelly Riddim this way I go come out. Cause you never know some song never released on 45. No.
It's only the album cut. It's never been on 45.
It's never been on 45. But you'd never know that till the song come tear down the same way. Saying? Because me go so boom, me go arrows, then me go so boom run a jammies, dub plate room, then me go so boom record factory. You get to me? I say boom sapphire and them things. So me go so Bamson now. Me go up to Danny when Dave do that. And I say, Danny, Dave have a Riddim a come out of my vice planet. I go lovely place. Me say make we build one hardcore Riddim. Where still I go have it also will appeal, but hardcore. And Danny build one of the baddest Riddim him ever build in him life up to this day. Man build a thing name heavy metal
Heavy
Riddim.
metal boss.
Brother, when Danny build heavy metal and make me hear it, my head swell big. I said, Danny, this I go kill the place. My brother, me go so boom and I said to myself, just done vice with Chico for Dave Kelly. Them time the Chico na boss it. A bad man now still plug a boss Chico. Then, so I said to myself, since Dave I go try sabotage my song, here me I go do. Me I go for the biggest singer in a dancehall. And who me go for? Sanchez.
What?
Every tick of the clock, my girl's whining non-stop. She is whining up there, and she's whining down there, just like a whining machine. She winds up, she winds down, she winds round and round and round and bring it on, Goofy, I say, to roll the young gal wind up, the crowd try down, everybody line. Brother, when me DJ the song, and me say, all right, Mr. Dave, you try bantan me thing, but see me go for the dancehall gladiator, yeah, I singing. Brother, when the two things them come out, me hit on the two Riddim them.
One time.
Same. Now, Dave Kelly called me for one next Riddim. You're me stop vice Dave Kelly now. Can me stop vice Dave Kelly. Same. Dave Kelly call me and me go up on a Riddim named Bounce.
Yes.
Me
Yes.
and Baby Cham dep on the Riddim and Chico did dep on it. I think Frisco might have been on it and Degree was on it. Now, the man care the same rhythm now, bounce rhythm, go up a U-Tech, where used to name Cass at the time. And that which road, Oak Road. Zane, now my brother, when the man carry the thing them got Jazzy T a play up a one thing named Fresh as Pet. Renaissance Jazzy T playing up there. So they have carried the thing for them, go test it. Yes, when the Jazzy T put on the song then, my song will say, "Well, you too fuck up. True, you see me make it in a life and your friend them a talk about up. Well, you too, brother. This song tear down in the Sham song. We and them no grounds. It all our vibes, but on my song tear out the forward. You see when we're going to Dave Kelly the next day, excited again. Me or Dave say, you know, say that song that too hardcore for my label. I said, wait. I said, Dave, what you say? So I say, Batman, it look like every time I go harder than Sham is a problem. So here I go and hold my voice, you know. I go and hold my voice. No worry about it. I'm in a voice back for Dave Kelly after that.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.